No slow motion, no excuses, just full capacity action. People ask why our workshop is always running at full capacity. The answer is simple. High standards leave no room for slacking. From filter testing to smart controls, every detail is non-negotiable. A busy line means trusted quality. These systems are heading straight to global workshops, proving that a solid product speaks for itself. Pure air, driven by performance, defined by quality. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes updates.